Well, welcome along to another episode. You join us as we are making our way to Bournemouth. We've just left Dolly here quarry. I got this crusher on, which I'll show you in a bit. They haven't recorded it yet, but I will do, and we'll add it in now. So this crusher is, we're taking this down to Bournemouth, along with these other machines as well. They're all going down to Bournemouth, so there's 5 of us all together. And let's say you can see the other ones just coming around the corner here now. And we just come in from Dolly here, and we're just transporting this equipment down to there then. So it's a nice little bit of a move. So it's a bit of an interesting one, this one. I think we got Rob Drones going to be recording us as well, so I'll probably put a link into his footage so you can watch it us coming down there. Hopefully I can get the footage off him, that'd be nice, and then I can add it into the video as well, like, you know, and obviously add him on so you'll see what he does, but that'd be nice if we can do that. But yeah, we're gonna just make our way now down through there's a couple of narrow places like Leicester and stuff like that, and Pembridge. It's gonna be interesting going through with this load, because even if you have a couple of cars, yeah, we just have to make sure we got space between us, like, otherwise it's gonna be a bit interesting. So I'm number 4 in the convoy. There's one behind me, Stan, number 5. So we've got a loading shovel, 3 crushers, and a 360 excavator then, which is at the back. This is going to be interesting. Hopefully it's no cars and it's just like a simple straight through. So far so good, because once you meet the carb here, they don't really get out your way, and as you can see we're Ryan in front there. He's got the wide boy trailer. He's taking up a bit more of the road, and you know what I mean. The good thing is that we've got Martin in front, so he's kind of having everybody move across, like. Was nice and easy, I've never had it that easy coming through here. Couldn't have asked for a better moment, you gotta be honest with you. Shame we can't be like that all the time. Done a bit of resurfacing here. Said it wouldn't take us long to catch up today. There we are. Okay, here we are, caught up. And nice little bit of tarmac here though. It was quite bumpy here. And Stan's caught us up nicely as well. These traffic lights we got to wait at. on our way then. Let's turn that off. I absolutely jumped then. So we've just had our break. We're on a 449 now, making our way down. So we just progressing on our journey. It's quite a long one, this one. It's quite a lot of distance to cover. So we'll make our way there. I think the drone guy, Rob Drones, is going to meet us a little bit further down. So I'm not sure where he's going to do his recording, and hopefully I'll get hold of a bit of that footage and I can add it into the YouTube as well. Like. So that'd be nice. I'll message him. We haven't met yet, so it'd be nice if we can do that. So crossing fingers, we'll soon see. I'm not sure where it's going to be, and you can't really see a drone in the air when you're driving past because it's quite small, isn't it? So well, we're plodding through, just coming off from the A34 now. To make our way down on this section here. So we've done the M4. We did manage to catch the guy with the drone, Rob Welsh Drones, or Welsh Rob Drones, something like that he's called. I will, I'll put a link in the description. I have mentioned him, so why not, didn't I? But hopefully I can grab his footage and we can see it now. So yeah, what do you think about that? It's pretty good, wasn't it? So we'll this is one of the reasons why I want a drone. Like, I mean, of course I'm not going to do it like that, like, I mean, because obviously you've got to be able, I'm not going to be able to drive and fly at the same time, but it's definitely when I'm loading and stuff like that, I can get an aerial view and stuff. So it's something to think about, to be honest with you. So we're going to make our way on the last bit of our section and make our way where we're going to stop up for the night. So while we're here, if you're interested in helping the channel out, then please do. There's a few ways you can do it. Firstly, you can hit that super thanks button underneath the video. Second way is by becoming a channel member, by hitting the join button and selecting what tier you want. And then thirdly, you can buy us a coffee by hitting that link in the description below. Also as well, there's another way which is totally free, and it doesn't need anything. Where's this car going? They're going up there. That's right then. Sometimes they'll come around you on the inside when they shouldn't. Anyway, that's all you got to do is subscribe to the channel. It's totally free to do it, and by subscribing to the channel, you're helping me out a great deal. So we are on a target of hitting 1,000 subscribers. So if we can get close to that, that'll be great. And as soon as we hit that target, I have got a little bit of a surprise. I have got something in the pipeline on the work, and it is gonna be it's gonna be interesting to see how I get it done. But I have got something in the pipeline anyway. So the sooner we get there, the sooner we get to see it. So it's an unusual Renault. Timbos. It is now the next day. As you can see, we're leaving the place that we've tipped them off. So we'll go back in time now and watch how that happens. See there, we had a few machines that we took off. We didn't get to see the last two crushers that come off, just because obviously me and my colleague have got to go on to another job, so it's not far down the road, but it is time sensitive, so we'll get there on time. But we've just got to make our way there now, and that's just basically it, what we got to do, like, innit? So, but you can see that we've seen the loading shovel come off, we've seen the excavator come off, and obviously the screener that I had then that came off as well then. So this can be a little bit of a busy road to come out on, so hopefully we'll time it right, and the two of us can come out together, because he's going to follow us in. I'm not going to film it where it is, where we're going. It is an MOD job, and I to be honest, I don't like advertising them, because it's their business and they do what they want to do. So I think he's letting us out, and we got him letting us out as well. Oh, nice one. Low loader drivers stick together. Oh, fair dues, he let the other one out as well. So yeah, we'll make our way to go to that now and do that MOD move. So that'll be it for us today. So hopefully you enjoyed the footage. I have tried to do a bit of offloading as well into it. Couldn't do the unloading because where we were. You get to see what I did say. It was a crusher at the start. There was 3 crushers, but it wasn't. The other 2 boys got crushers. I had the screen. So it's called something that totally different to what I thought it was. So it was only afterwards when I realised, oh, hang on a second, that's a screen, not a crusher. So I'm still learning these machines. But anyway, that's it for us today. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you like the last episode with us starting this new job. So at the moment, while I settle in and everything, I am going to go down to 1 video a week, back on to just doing it on a Wednesday, just purely because of the videos which I was doing Carbright haven't really taken off. So, you know what I mean, they do take a little bit of time to do. You know what I mean, you got to be quiet and everything like that when you're watching them. So when you're recording them, and yeah, the algorithm haven't really kicked them off. So they're on YouTube. If the algorithm does kick them off, I'll start doing them again. Other than that, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.